Hi folks, and welcome back. Okay, this is the last project on the GS for now. You know, I've enjoyed every minute of it, unless it's the curbs, but I'll come back to them. I'm still working on it. Yes folks, it's that time of year and it's going to be great getting back to R1 Rat project for summer. And next up is my Patreon page launch. So the future is full of exciting possibilities. Okay, I'm going to start with something slightly different today, and it's one of the reasons why I love rat bikes. It's about building or maintaining on a budget, or in this case, restoring or using what's at hand. So let's go and scavenge a few motorcycle parts for free. Keep watching. Okay folks, underneath here is the remains of a scrapped bike that I've been kindly given. It's a Honda CB250. It's got a broken engine and damaged carbs, but there's plenty other usable parts. The chain's rotten, so that's no good, but I can use the flasher relay. This is standard, so it should fit haywire. And I can use the tank cushions. And I want some wire for the rear indicators. With those connectors. Yes, I'm sure there'll be other parts that are usable for different projects. I like the battery box. It's really ratty. Okay, that'll do for now. We'll get these on the bike, and that is a spare rectifier regulator. I can always come back for more another time. Okay folks, this is what the tank cushions for this bike should look like. This belongs to the Dragonaut, but he's got a broken engine, and that's a story for another day. So I'm going to make cushions out of these and use that as a template. Yeah, I like that. That's going to work well. Cool. That's a good fit. Perfect. Just need to decide where it's going to sit now. Again soon, folks, and thanks for watching. Take care, have fun and ride safe.